Welcome to this 3-bedroom terraced house in Old Town, just nearing the end of a programme of complete refurbishment. Entrance hall. Wood laminate flooring. Staircase to the first floor. Lovely double aspect reception room. Living room with dining area. Windows to the rear garden. Newly fitted kitchen in grey gloss with limed oak work surfaces. Built under oven, ceramic hob, extractor hood. Combi boiler for central heating and hot water. A utility lobby area with tumble dryer and washing machine. And a refitted bathroom with thermostatic shower over the bath. And down here we have a door out to the garden. Which faces west. Staircase to the first floor. The rear of the property, we have bedroom number 3. Large second bedroom. A very generous main bedroom with built-in wardrobes. Thank you for watching.